I am honored to have received the 2020 Outstanding Performance Award. When I answered my phone and Dr. Huntley said I received the award, I was surprised because I felt I was just doing my job to keep the Nursing Simulation Center operating efficiently. I am extremely honored for the recognition of my work in the SVSU Nursing Simulation Center. However, I would have never achieved this award without the support of the extraordinary team of nurse educators and student mentors who work for me and with me. I appreciate the opportunity Dean Rowland gave me to work in the Nursing Simulation Center, and I am grateful for the faculty who have mentored me and helped me grow personally and professionally in the role as an educator. My greatest achievement as the coordinator of the Nursing Simulation Center is when the center was granted accreditation in the area of teaching and education by the Society for Simulation in Healthcare in December 2019. This accreditation establishes we follow the standards of best practice in simulation and provide evidence-based simulations for the nursing students. I want to thank the members of the Nursing Simulation Center Program Committee for their work on the accreditation self-study. Finally, I would like to thank Janet, the Nursing Simulation Center educators, Melanie, Christina, David, Sally, Kieran, and others I have not mentioned for nominating me for the 2020 Outstanding Performance Award. Thank you.